doing a role play activity so that you can learn these elements better. आपको अच्छे से याद हो जाएंगे जब आपके दोस्तों के साथ वो नाम अटैच होंगे. ठीक है. आज today this activity is done by girls and tomorrow the second group will be done by boys. Here these girls are playing the role of 13 group elements. They will tell you about their properties and then we will find out the gradation in their properties. Okay, start.
Good morning everyone. Myself Priyanka. I playing the role of boron. Boron is the atomic number 5 and general electronic configuration helium 2s2 2p1. The atomic radius 88 picometer. Boron is a typical non-metallic in nature. There are two isotopic form of boron. Boron 10 19% and boron 11 81%. Boron is found in India like Buga Valley in Ladakh and Shambar Lake in Rajasthan. It is the abundance in less than the 0.01% by mass. It is extremely hard and black color of the solid. Boron is not reactive of the acid, air and alkalines. Why? Because it is a crystallization form of the solid and it is a very high melting point. But it is a reactive of the amorphous solid. Thank you.
Okay, you have seen boron, the electronic configuration 2p1, and with the p1 configuration it is in group 13 and the period belonging to it is second period because the shell, outermost shell is the second shell only. Okay.
Good morning, my name is Shubhi and I am playing the role of aluminium. My atomic number is 13 and my atomic weight is 26.98 gram. Aluminium is most abundant metal in the earth crust. It is third most abundant element in the earth crust after oxygen and silicon. Aluminium is found as mica in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha and Jammu. Bauxite and cryolite are the most abundant minerals of aluminium. I belong to 13 group and P block. Thank you.
Okay, you have seen aluminium. Again you can see the configuration, it is 3p1. Again the p1 last configuration, same group. But the period is now third period.
Good morning, myself Anshika. I am playing the role of gallium. I am a gallium. It belongs to 13 group. Atomic number of gallium is 31. Atomic mass is 69.72. Electronic configuration argon 3d10 4s2 4p1 and atomic radius is 135 pm. Atomic radius of gallium is less than aluminium. Gallium have noble gas plus 10d electrons. Thank you.
Okay, gallium also belongs to 13 group.
Good morning, myself Khushbu and I am playing the role of indium. I belong to P block in 13 group. My atomic number is 49 and its atomic mass is 114.82 gram. And its electronic configuration krypton 4d10 5s2 5p1. I am less abundant non-metal in earth crust. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Bhavna and I am playing the role of thallium. I am thallium. I belongs to 13th group in P block. My atomic number is 81 and electronic configuration is xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p1. My atomic mass is 204.38 and atomic radius is 170. Thallium is a very rare element.
Good morning, myself Manu and I am playing the role of neodymium. My atomic number is 113, my atomic mass is 286, my electric configuration is radon 5f10, 5f14, 6d10, 7s2, 7p2. My physical and chemical properties are still not known, so I am radioactive element. Thank you.
We all belongs to same group. Our family is known as boron family. We all have similar properties with certain gradation because our outermost electronic configuration is same. We have similar properties like ionization enthalpy, electronic radius, but certain gradations. Thank you.
Okay bachcho, today I am going to explain just only one property gradation, that is the atomic size. As you know, as the shell increases, the atomic size also increases. She has two shells, 3 shells, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So every time shell is increasing, so size must increase. साइज का जो इंक्रीज होता है शेल के अंदर वो पावर्स में होता है. इफ फर्स्ट शेल इज 2, second will be 9, third will be second will be 4 and third will be 9 and fourth will be 16 times. But here you will find that here the atomic radius 88 only, here atomic radius 143. यहाँ थोड़ा सा साइज का इंक्रीमेंट है बट लेटर ऑन आपको साइज का बहुत ही डिफेक्टिव सा ग्रेडेशन मिलेगा. बेटा यू शिफ्ट दिस साइड. ये जो पहला केस है एल्यूमिनियम और गैलियम का, तो यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन साइज. गैलियम इज स्मॉलर इन साइज देन एल्यूमिनियम, ऑल्दो इट मस्ट शी मस्ट बी लार्जर इन साइज. इसको बड़ा होना चाहिए था क्योंकि इसके पास कितने शेल हैं? हाउ मेनी शेल्स यू टेल? 4 शेल्स गैलियम हैविंग, बट यहाँ पे 3 हैं तब भी ये साइज में छोटे हो गए. क्यों हो गए? दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द शिफ्ट दिस इफेक्ट. गैलियम हैज़ अ डिफरेंट कोर 3d10. ये जो d के 10 एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं ये अंदर के शेल में भर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम इट इज़ हैपनिंग एंड दे आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग द प्रॉपर शील्डिंग, because of which the 10 extra charge which is increasing in the nucleus is having more effect on the outer electrons और वो उसको खींच लेता है, साइज एकदम से श्रिंक हो जाता है. तो हम कहते हैं it is the poor shielding effect due to the diffused character of inner d orbitals. That's why this is the first time in whole periodic table it is happening and the size of gallium is smaller than aluminium. After onwards you will find the near about same size, थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ता है but that is more or less same, 114 and here it is 170, although it should be in powers में बढ़ना चाहिए था. और इधर साइज है आपका 113. वहाँ पे 4f का केस और f ऑर्बिटल्स का केस और आ जाता है और साइज़ का ग्रेडेशन आपको यहाँ पे उस तरीके से नहीं मिल रहा जिस तरीके से आपको साइज़ का जो बढ़ना है वो आपको s ब्लॉक के एलिमेंट्स में मिलता है. सो आई होप कि आप लोगों को ये एलिमेंट्स लर्न हो जाएंगे और आपको ये ग्रेडेशन भी याद रहेगा.